Have you ever wondered if there's a tool out there that understands you better than you understand yourself? What if I told you such a tool exists, and it's called Google Gemini? Yes, you heard that right. But how much do you really know about it? And more importantly, how can you use this ChatGPT alternative to revolutionize your digital experience? If you're curious, keep watching. And if you find the topic as intriguing as we do, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Let's dive into the world of Google Gemini together. What is Google Gemini? First off, let me ask you, have you ever felt lost in the sea of information on the internet? Yes? Well, Google Gemini is here to be your compass. Think of it as a super intelligent assistant that not only understands your queries but also predicts your needs. But how does it compare to other AI platforms you've used before? Could it be that Google Gemini is the missing piece in your digital puzzle? The power of AI and Google's expertise. Imagine having access to Google's vast data pool, combined with cutting-edge AI technology. That's Google Gemini for you. But why is this important? Have you ever been frustrated with digital assistants that just don't get you? Then, you can see why Google Gemini's advanced understanding and predictive capabilities could be a game changer for you. How can you use Google Gemini? Now let's talk usage. Have you ever wished for a personal assistant that could manage your digital tasks effortlessly? Google Gemini steps in here. From simplifying email compositions to managing your calendar and even getting personalized news and recommendations. Have you ever thought how much time and effort this could save you? Then you're starting to see the potential impact of Google Gemini on your daily life. Deep dive into features. But what sets Google Gemini apart from the rest? Is it its ability to learn and adapt to your preferences over time? Or perhaps its seamless integration across Google services? Imagine having an assistant that not only understands your questions but also anticipates your needs. Sounds impressive, right? Trial closing, questions to ponder. 1. Have you ever found yourself wishing for more accurate search results? 2. Do you long for an AI that understands context and nuance in your queries? 3. Could Google Gemini be the solution you've been searching for? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, you're beginning to understand the unique value proposition of Google Gemini. Enhancing productivity with Google Gemini. Consider your current productivity tools. Do they truly understand your needs? Google Gemini's AI is designed to adapt to you, offering personalized suggestions and automations. Can you see how this might transform your productivity? Privacy and security. In today's digital age, privacy and security are paramount. Have you ever worried about how much personal information you're sharing with AI platforms? Then you'll be relieved to know that Google Gemini is built with Google's strict privacy protocols, ensuring your data is protected. Does this ease your mind? Google Gemini versus ChatGPT. Now let's talk alternatives. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, but how does Google Gemini stack up? With Google's AI expertise and data, Gemini offers a tailored experience. But is a personalized AI experience important to you? If yes, then Google Gemini might just be the superior choice for your needs. Real-life applications. Imagine planning a trip. How much research and planning goes into it? A lot, right? Now, imagine if Google Gemini could take care of the heavy lifting, from suggesting destinations to booking flights and accommodations, all based on your preferences. Can you see how much easier and enjoyable your planning could become? The future of AI with Google Gemini. Looking ahead, how do you see AI impacting your life? With Google Gemini, the future is about more than just assistance. It's about intuitive, personalized experiences. Are you ready to embrace this future? Engagement reminder. If you're finding this exploration of Google Gemini as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your engagement helps us bring more content like this to you, making the most of Google Gemini. But how can you maximize the benefits of Google Gemini? It starts with exploration. Have you taken the time to dive deep into its capabilities? By experimenting and customizing, you can unlock the full potential of Google Gemini. Are you ready to take that step? Trial closing, reflective questions. 1. Have you ever imagined a digital experience so seamless it feels like magic? 2. Do you believe that AI can significantly enhance your daily life? 3. Is the idea of a personalized, predictive assistant appealing to you? If you're nodding along, you're recognizing the transformative power of Google Gemini. As we wrap up, think about the potential impact of Google Gemini on your digital life. Have we sparked your curiosity? Are you excited to explore what Google Gemini can do for you? Remember, the future of AI is not just about technology. It's about creating experiences that enrich our lives. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Google Gemini and see for yourself how it can transform your digital experience. And before you go, if this video has provided you with valuable insights, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button again to make sure you're updated with all our latest videos. Share your thoughts and experiences with Google Gemini in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning together as we navigate the exciting world of AI. Thank you for watching. Remember, the journey into AI with Google Gemini is just beginning. Are you ready to be part of this revolutionary experience? Then, let's embark on this exciting journey together. See you in the next video.